Hello, I'm Mike and welcome back to my channel. In last video, we have created the four types of RSI by data transform through R script. In this video, I shall share a method on how to draw a chart by Power BI line and stack column visual, in which we can select and apply different RSI for our stock price movement analysis. Okay, let's get started. We need two steps to create the chart. First step is to prepare data by creations of a few measures by DAX formula. The first measure is a dimension table measure in which we shall list what RSI types we have. Then we need table measure to hold all other measures we shall create for this video. For example, the second measure is the selected RSI type. While applying the DAX switch and the selected value function to match each RSI type with its corresponding created RSI type field. We need OverBoughtline, which is the y-axis constant line with the value 70. And the OversoldLine, which constant value is 30. Last measure is for the dynamic title for the chart, which combines the selected RSI type measure and the selected stock code measure. Before visual creation, we need to ensure our data modeling is ready to support the creation while all necessary relationship connect setups. Now we are ready to draw the chart. First, we need to prepare 3 slicers for stock code selection. Trading date selection. and RSI type selection. Then we draw the RSI line chart with options to select RSI type dynamically. If your x-axis base time unit larger than date, but you still want to see daily value, you may change the field value calculation to a where agent. That is all in this video. To apply RSI chart, we need to combine other technical analysis tools in same report page, such as a candlestick chart. So in coming video, I shall share approach to create candlestick chart in Power BI standard line and stack column visual, in which we can easily to synchronizing and align the x-axis value accurately for both charts in a same page. Please do not miss it by subscribing my channel. Thanks for your watching and see you in next video.